So, yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing much.
There once was this girl. Her name was Sarah. She fell in love with this handsome boy. Frankie!
And she died by looking at his face.
And Frank had sex with her dead body.
And then there's me.
She died.
just
She died too, but no one decided to have sex with her.
And then there was a dead body, and his name is Frank, who committed...
And he fucked himself.
who was killed by a homicide because I killed him! Because you know why?
Because you wanted to rape my dead body.
Besides that.
The truth will set you
But Sarah is the most important person of them all.
free. She was the first one to have sex with while she was dead.
And she loves me.